Hey Lanes family, this is Benton Palmer and today we're making chicken, steak, and shrimp hibachi on the griddle. Let's get it. Hibachi is all about the prep. Yesterday, I cooked my rice. I left it in the refrigerator overnight. That helps it dry out just a little bit so that it fries up a little better. We have chicken, we have steak, and shrimp today. And then for our vegetables, we have zucchinis, we have onions, and we have carrots. We're gonna head to the griddle and get cooking, so come follow me. All right guys, the first step is to put some oil on the griddle. I'm gonna put some fresh minced garlic down. We're gonna dump our day-old rice in there, get some seasonings on the top and get it all mixed together. And the rice is gonna sit over here and do its thing while we cook everything else on the other side of the griddle. On the rice, we're gonna add some SPG, that's salt, pepper, and garlic. And the garlic in this stuff is incredible. Kind of break up your clumps as you're doing this and getting everything mixed in good. All right, so now we're going down with our zucchini, carrots, and onions. And on that, we're gonna use the Cornhusker Kitchen Wagyu beef tallow. And we're just gonna spray this right over the top and get it mixed in. We're also gonna add some Lane's Kunami. This is my favorite seasoning that Lane's makes. Check out these beautiful New York strip steaks from T&T Meats. We're gonna season them with the Lane's Kunami, get them down on the griddle, right here on the front side. So every 3 to 4 minutes, you wanna come in here and mix your rice up. So that it gets that good fry on all pieces. And then we also want to keep our vegetables mixed so that everything has a chance to have a flat face on the griddle. Now we're going to get down our chicken, but we're going to add some more of the Wagyu beef tallow. We're going to dump that chicken right in it. Then we're going to season it with the Lane's Kunami. We're gonna add some Kikkoman soy sauce to the rice. Get that all mixed in. We're gonna get the steaks flipped over. And then toss our chicken around a little bit. We're gonna get the steaks off so we can get them cut up into bite-sized pieces. Then this steak's going right back onto the griddle. So for the rice, we're gonna add some eggs. So I'll make a little well in the middle of it. We're gonna crack in 3 eggs. We're gonna get those eggs scrambled around in there. Now we're gonna mix these eggs in with the rice. We're also gonna add some sesame oil to the rice. If you feel like your fried rice is missing a flavor, this is what you need. It doesn't take much and you don't add it to the very end. On the meats and vegetables, we're gonna use the Lane's Pow Pow sauce. This is one of my favorite sauces to use with Asian dishes. You don't want to add it till right at the end when the chicken and steak are almost done because it's gonna caramelize really quickly. Since everything finishes at the same time on the griddle, I like to use a big scoop to get it all off quickly. So once everything's done, we're ready for the shrimp. We're gonna put down some butter and some of that fresh minced garlic. And we got some red shrimp from T&T Meats. These are tail on. These are not pre-cooked. They're just a red color naturally. Shrimp don't take long, so just get them mixed around. If you're using a gray colored shrimp, as soon as they turn the color that these are, they would be done. We're just gonna spread these out thin and give them just a couple minutes on each side. So the steak and the chicken are done too. We're gonna come onto the cutting board. All right, and then the veggies too. On the shrimp, we're gonna add the Lane's Pow Pow seasoning also. When your shrimp start to curl up like a circle like that, you know they're done. We got the hibachi cooked. It's always a family favorite, and now it's time for the first bite. I'm gonna go with the steak. The steak flavor is phenomenal with that Pow Pow seasoning. I can't wait to get inside and eat with the family. Let's eat, y'all. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the Griddle series with Lane's Barbecue. I hope you like these cooks and you learned a few things about how to make some great food for your family. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section. They will reply, or you can find me at Grill This, Smoke That on any of the socials. And I always love sharing things that you can cook for your family. I always respond to DMs and to my comments, so I'd love to help you out. You can find any of the products that we use today on lanesbarbecue.com, and I hope you guys have a great day.